Symptoms of a fouled spark plug. A fouled spark plug can cause a decline in engine performance. Your engine spark plugs should be clean and have no damage to the electrodes for optimum performance. Your engine's performance may suffer if your spark plugs are clogged or unclean. A fouled or damaged spark plug is one that has become covered with debris, such as fuel, carbon, or oil, or one that has blisters from operating at an excessive temperature. Driving with fouled or damaged spark plugs might result in a variety of engine issues. In today's video, we're diving into a common car issue: the symptoms of a fouled spark plug. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or a newbie to car maintenance, this information is essential. So, let's get started. Symptoms of a fouled spark plug include: 1. Difficulty starting your engine. A big amount of spark cannot be produced by old plugs to turn on your ignition. The current that your spark plugs create is insufficient to ignite the fuel that starts your engine if they are overheated or worn out. 2. Engine misfiring. If the spark plug is damaged, your engine may act slow or surge. A spark plug may stop producing a spark completely as it ages or wears out. Your engine may go through phases where it isn't as responsive or runs harder than usual because the fuel isn't being burned properly. 3. Low MPGs. Poor fuel economy can be a sign of worn-out spark plugs, even if it's not always obvious to the unaided eye or ear. In some circumstances, outdated or loose spark plugs can cause a 15% to 30% reduction in MPG. 4. Low acceleration. If your spark plug isn't performing properly, acceleration is slower. If you have a fouled spark plug, your car may hesitate even when you press the gas pedal firmly. 5. Check engine light illuminates. In the event that your spark plug misfires, the light will turn on. It's possible that something else is going on when your check engine light comes on than the spark plug. To find out if the spark plug is the problem, check the engine code by putting an OBD code reader into the link connector port next to the left side of your steering column. 6. Excessive residue in the spark plug. Sparks may not be produced by fouled spark plugs. Find your engine cylinders and the location of the thick, black cables that connect to your spark plugs. Using a spark plug socket wrench, remove each spark plug from your engine one at a time and visually inspect each one. 7. Rough idling. An engine that rattles is an indication that the spark plug isn't correctly igniting the fuel. Start the engine of your car and let it run. Instead of a smooth, even sound, listen to the engine to check for any rattles, metallic pings, or sputtering. Your engine will start shaking or making unpleasant noises if your spark plug is old or fouled, since it won't burn fuel entirely. 8. Engine knocking. If you don't take care of the signs of a broken spark plug in a timely manner, you might start to hear engine knocking, which is a very serious problem that will unquestionably result in severe engine failure and mechanical damage to vital parts like piston heads, compression rings, valves, and the engine cylinders. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the symptoms of fouled spark plugs. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Stay connected for more valuable automotive insights. Drive safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.